This is not land. This is not an island. This is a massive wall of ice drifting silently across the ocean. In the year 2000, Antarctica released something the modern world had never witnessed before. A frozen giant so large that satellites struggled to capture it in a single frame. Scientists named it Iceberg B-15. At the moment it broke free, B-15 covered nearly 11,000 square kilometers. That's larger than Jamaica, larger than many countries. What most people don't realize is that this iceberg wasn't just wide. It was hundreds of meters thick. Most of its body was hidden beneath the ocean, invisible like a submerged mountain. For thousands of years, snow fell on Antarctica, layer after layer compressed into ice. Slowly, silently, pressure built up on the Ross Ice Shelf, one of the largest ice shelves on Earth. Cracks formed, stretching farther every year. Then one day, the shelf finally gave way. What separated wasn't a chunk of ice. It was a floating continent. As B-15 drifted into the Southern Ocean, it began changing everything around it. Ocean currents were disturbed. Sunlight struggled to reach the water beneath the ice. Entire ecosystems felt the impact of...
But its story didn't end there, because B-15 was not unique. Every year, Antarctica loses ice. Some of it naturally, some of it accelerated by rising global temperatures. Icebergs calve more frequently now. They travel farther. They melt faster. And each one carries a silent message about the state of our planet. Icebergs are not just frozen water. They are history. Each layer holds ancient air, trapped thousands of years ago. When an iceberg melts, that history is released back into the ocean. What happened with B-15 reminds us of one truth humanity often forgets. Nature doesn't move fast, but when it moves, nothing can stop it. No borders, no technology, no power. A single iceberg once rivaled nations in size, controlled ecosystems, and reminded the world how small we really are. And somewhere in the frozen south,